So that's our cheesecake, guys. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Yeah, how was your week? Mine was very blissful. It was beautiful. So I want to welcome every one of you, my returning subscribers, my returning viewers, and if you are looking at this channel for the first time, you're very welcome. I just want to say thank you to every one of you for growing this channel with me. Please don't stop, keep sharing, keep telling people about this channel, because we have a lot to learn on this channel. Yep, I'm going to be sharing a lot of continental dishes and African dishes on this channel. Please stay tuned, and today we are going to make cheesecake. So I'll tell you my ingredients now. I'm introducing you to my ingredients. We have 2 digestive biscuits, but it's not likely we are going to use everything. So we may use 1 or 1.5. That is what makes the base of the cheesecake. Yeah, before I continue, this cheesecake is no bake cheesecake. We have a cheesecake that we bake, and there is no bake cheesecake. So the one that they bake is like, it has to go into the oven, it uses raw egg and all those ones. I don't like that. So in my family, we love no bake cheesecake. So that is what we're making, not the one that we bake. We are making no bake cheesecake. Yeah, having clarified that, I will continue showing you my ingredients. So we have 2 soft cheese for topping. So that's it. Then we have our condensed milk, and we have raspberry just to garnish it. And there is something, oh yeah, I'll get that. We have double cream, Irish double cream. That one is in the fridge. So now the first stage is to crush our biscuits. Oh, Sandra, can you pass me melted butter? Butter, so that I'll show you to our viewers. I forgot butter. I omitted this. We're going to use 250 grams of butter. Processed. So we're going to put our melted butter into it so that we'll be able to mold it, to press it down, just to moisturize it. So we have our base now made. So the next step is the butter, melted butter. We're going to melt the butter now. So now guys, I have my 250 grams melted butter here. So it's going into our crushed biscuit base, digestive biscuit. Then we mix. What we are trying to get here is to make it bunch together, very well. That's why we put the butter, just to hold it together, so that we'll be able to form with the base. You see guys, that's it. So now we want to mold our base. We want to mold it in our base. Use the remaining butter to base it, to grease it. So I like to grease this so that when I'm taking it out, it will not give me problem. It will not be too sticky, or it will not be stuck with the base. Now we're transferring our base, which is digestive biscuits, I don't know if you can use any other biscuit, but because digestive biscuit is very soft, so please, if you've made cheesecake before with another type of biscuit, you can let me know in the comment section. I've always been using digestive biscuit because it's soft and it's easy to crush. So we're putting it in, spread it around and just pat it. So we're trying to let it have this solid base. That is it, all done. So we've gotten our base, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Guys, you're welcome back to our motivational lounge. So now we have our cheesecake, the base in the fridge. I will be bringing out our motivational 2 minutes motivational talk from this book, and I'm going to give you just one quote. It's from Helen Keller. It says, "The most pathetic person in the world is someone who has sight but no vision." Sight and vision are two different things. When you're talking about sight, it means your physical sight, the physical eyes, what you can see with your physical eyes. When we're talking about vision, it's your inward sight, inward eyes, your spiritual eyes, what you can conceive in your inner man. So Helen Keller is saying the most pathetic person on earth is a person that have sight but does not have vision. So I'm challenging you guys today, viewers, what is your vision? Do not let go of it. Follow it and achieve it. You can do it. The take home from our lounge today is you need to have vision. Sight is not enough. You need to have vision. Thank you very much for listening, and let's go back to our cooking. So we have our base here. Now we have to do our toppings. So we have our soft cheese go into this bowl. Our condensed milk is open, so it's going to be here. It's not likely that I will use this full double cream. I'm not sure yet, but if I see the consistency of my mixture, I may use it, I may not. So let's go. We have our cream cheese here, then our condensed goes in. Sure, so you give it a good mix until it becomes fluffy. So we finished mixing. I used half of this, I added half of this, my double cream to it. So now we're pouring it. So I will refrigerate it for 1 hour. Hi guys, good morning, and you're welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I was making this no-bake cheesecake, but unfortunately I couldn't finish the video yesterday because I just felt I wanted to rest. I just wanted to watch movies and enjoy myself, so I decided to leave it till this morning. This is our cheesecake. So that's our cheesecake, guys. It's a beautiful dessert that can be given to family and friends. It's very simple to make and it's lovely. You can garnish it, you can decorate it the way anyhow you want it. That's so beautiful, lovely cheesecake. There. Gorgeous. So if you like what we are doing on this channel, guys, please subscribe to our channel, like and share. Thank you.